Yeah. ¿Lo ves? Ahora ponte aquí.
Okay, and now I'm here.
Por ejemplo.
And so now we're sharing screen.
¿Ves?
Hello and welcome to our English class.
Deberías esperar un poquito para que... Si eso es un agente.
Ah, no está aquí, tú ya es verdad.
My name is Jennifer, and these are my students, and we're learning how to be YouTubers. Yay!
Pero que no...
Okay, let's go to, let's go to YouTube.
¿Cómo hacíamos? Ponle un momento, cambia de pantalla. Contra el tabulador.
So, and am I on live right now or no?
Yeah.
Oh, and I can't see everything. Very good. Okay.
Espera, un momento. ¿Cómo te llamabas?
What's my name? Jennifer.
No, por
Jenny.
YouTube.
Tandem Escola de Idiomas. And I like that you can see the microphone. Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
Yes? Okay, so can you see the board?
Mira. ¿Ves?
Okay, now? No.
Yeah.
Hey,
Este
very
video.
cool. Hello, and
Está muy fuerte.
Jenny.
No, es tu micrófono.
de Idiomas.
No toques.
And I like that you
Un momento, que igualmente está muy fuerte, ¿no ves?
No,
Ahora.
este no sirve.
Ahora ya está esto, sí.
Yes.
Yes? Okay. Okay, good. Okay.
Yes.
So are you ready, Nacho? Hey. What? So it's a little bit behind. It's like there's a delay, isn't there?
No, espera.
Okay, good. Okay. So are you ready, Nacho?
Se escucha de ultratumba mía.
Pero porque you're there. Entonces tienes que parar ese. You have to turn that computer off. Now that we know that it works. Okay.
Nacho.
¿Qué?
Apaga la voz.
That's a good idea too. Okay, Nacho, you ready?
Yes.
So, we started this the other day. And we're going to come over here to the worksheet in color. And we started this the other day while I download it. So, who are the most famous YouTubers? Who are the most famous YouTubers that you...
Rubios.
Mr. Beast.
Mr. Beast, Mr. Rubios. Okay, very good.
The crack.
Do you guys remember that I asked you to download this app on your telephone, Expemo?
What?
Remember you downloaded this app, Expemo, on your telephone?
Ah, pues no.
You didn't do it?
What?
Okay, in the last class, I asked you guys to download the Expemo so that we can, so that you can scan to review. So, do you remember we started talking about this the other day? So we have the girl. What do you see, Biel?
I can see one girl and she's made a video of maquillaje.
Of makeup. Very good. Okay, she's making a video. Why is she making a video? Do you think she has a blog?
Espérate un momento, que hago lo de esto.
Te lo estoy haciendo.
Okay. Okay, so once you've downloaded Expemo
You
on
have
your...
one person watching.
I have one person watching.
A ver, dale.
Eres tú.
Creo que soy yo, sí. A ver, dale.
Okay, so anyways, we're coming down here and we're talking, look at these pictures.
Espérate,
Espera, que no cargo.
sube. Sube, porfa.
Okay, we're waiting for everybody to get their Expemo and take the picture of the code.
Pero lo tengo que instalar.
You have to install it. You can do that after the class.
No, because I don't remember.
Espérate.
But then we don't have any class.
Un momento.
No te dirá, la dirección no es válida.
Pues podría haberlo buscado.
Sí, a mí también, pero luego cuando pone ir a la app,
And you have to add you can add the codes.
No tengo.
Expemo.
Yes. Expemo.
No tengo de esto, no.
Dice.
Yeah. Yes.
Le pone que no hay internet. Ahora voy a hacer. ¿Qué pasa?
So download it. And then we will start. Yay!
Yay.
I want to do a class live on YouTube.
Pues se está instalando.
Okay, TikTok, TikTok, TikTok.
No puedo yo.
No, well, I will
Pero
send
tienes que buscarlo directamente.
I will print this for you, and then I will send it to you. So the other day we talked about these blogs. Do you remember?
Yeah.
We have the picture of the boy. What is he doing?
Blogging.
He's
bueno,
blogging.
Review toys.
He's reviewing toys. Picture number 2. What are they doing? What kind of picture is this? This would be for
Stands.
Deuced.
Yeah.
Very good. Picture number 3.
And doing experiments.
Very good. Picture number 4.
Giving beauty tips.
Giving beauty tips. Number 5.
Giving fashion tips.
Very
And
good.
reviewing games.
Very good. Okay. So take a look over here. We have these words. We have view. We have found.
Esto ya lo hicimos.
Okay. Pues dime. View, ¿qué quiere decir? What is view?
Es como mirar, visualizar.
Mirar, view. So what would the answer be? Can you draw a line? A ver if it comes out. Can you draw a line?
Okay.
Para que recarga para así, a ver si tiene algún like. Te pongo
Bueno, pero
la-
yo quiero que aprendes un poco de
Ya,
inglés
pero
también,
¿quieres que te
¿eh?
ponga el
No,
sitio este?
quiero que tú aprendes inglés. Ven aquí y dime estas palabras. Come here. Read them to me. So we have
View,
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 okay,
found,
found,
found.
very good.
Humor,
Humor,
Humor.
humor,
humor,
No, no tiene.
humor,
humor,
revenue,
revenue,
okay,
conduct,
conduct,
Esta ya lo tengo.
host,
Espero.
acquire,
acquire, subscriber.
subscriber. Okay, a view, what is a view? Let's match it.
Ay, no sé.
Sí que sabes. So let's read the instructions here. So if we start something such as a business or organization,
Hey. No.
what word, what does this mean? It means we,
No, da igual.
Mamma, me'n vaig
where,
amb la bici,
where, with who?
amb el Marc Barraga.
Okay. At what time will you be back?
Bueno, es fa de nit més tard.
No,
Sí,
no.
es fa l'activitat.
You have to tell me, do you have homework?
No,
Are you sure?
segur.
Sure or no sure?
Segur.
Sí.
Ok.
No nos han puesto deberes.
En
Okay.
el flexible no tinc deures. I en plàstic no tinc res.
Okay, we'll go. Okay, so the word,
I algun més, cosa. Ah, sí, el carregador. Al teu ordinador no sé què li passa, que quan fico a carregar diu que no funciona el carregador o algo així raro. No sé.
which one, the new one or the
Sí,
old
el nou.
one?
Que no sé si és en el meu carregador o a l'ordinador. I que ja està de bateria. Per això, perquè no carrega.
Got it. Okay, so we have the word view. View means to see, okay? How many views do we have right now on our channel?
One.
You. Okay,
Okay,
found.
You can.
Okay, but found, ¿qué quiere decir?
Puedes
found?
mirarlo, mira.
No,
So
puedo.
I
Puedes
can see-
actualizar.
Actualize chat.
Los espectadores, No, espectadores.
Pues vamos a darles algo para mirar. So let's do our class.
Pero dale aquí. No. Aquí. O algo por aquí. No, pues nada, igual. Participantes, sí. Tandem escolar y idiomas.
Okay. That's okay. Okay, so, found. If you, a ver, ya está. Yo quiero que aprendan inglés. Y si van a hacer esto y no van a aprender inglés, a ver, esto lo puedes hacer en tu casa. Okay? No, es que ya está. I'm trying to introduce you to some words. I want you to learn the vocabulary.
Esto ya lo hicimos.
Ya, pero quiero que ver que lo has aprendido.
Sí.
So, found. ¿Qué quiere decir found?
Found era... ¿cómo era?
Someone who starts a business. So if you start a business
What?
or you start an organization, you find something. So I am the
beneficiar
founder.
o...
Crear.
I am the founder of Tandem.
El
A fundador. Okay, humor. ¿Qué quiere decir?
Humor.
Okay, where is the definition?
The quality of being funny or doing
Very
funny
good.
things.
Revenue. Do you remember what does the word revenue mean?
No.
What revenue?
Renovar.
No.
No. Pagar.
Dinero. What is your revenue?
Some who was chosen.
The money that a company receives from selling something is the revenue. So if you make a YouTube page and you want to be famous and you want to monetize, then you're going to have a large revenue. Okay? I have a revenue of $3 billion a year. Okay? I would like, me gustaría. Okay? Revenue. ¿Qué quiere decir?
Revenue.
¿Cuánto dinero ingresas?
Sí.
Okay. Conduct.
Conduct. Conducta o...
Conducta, very good.
De organista de event.
Host.
Mirar. O...
No, esto lo hicimos el otro día, por eso quiero hacer más inglés. Okay, so host. Host is the person who invita a su casa. So for example, tonight, I start hosting the Ukrainian families, right? So they're going to come to my house. When I'm on Zoom, y yo soy la profesora, and I'm the teacher, I am the host. But if I want to pass the host to somebody else, I give them the control.
Yes.
Okay?
El controlador.
So- So a host, what is the definition of host?
An acquisition of something begin to... to... La F.
Someone who is to organize an event and to make the arrangements makes you the host. Okay, acquire,
Adquirir.
adquirir, subscriber.
Suscribir.
Okay, pues those you know, pero tenemos que aprender más. Okay, so this we did.
Sí.
Now, we're going to watch, we're going to
Eso
do a
también que
listening.
nos pusiste el vídeo ese.
¿Sí? ¿Y lo aprendieron?
Sí. Y esto.
Okay, so this we didn't do. So when we look at this, we have a focus on vocabulary, jobs and tech. Obviously, both of you are very good at this YouTuber thing, right? You know a lot. What kind of jobs could you have? What kind of jobs could you do? So we have broadcaster, repeat, broadcaster. What is a broadcaster? The broadcaster is the person who talks and tells all of the, today on Channel 3 we're going to have
El periodista.
the
Presentador.
the presentador. The broadcaster is the presentador. Artificial intelligence, what is that?
Inteligencia artificial.
Very good. Okay, software engineer.
Un ingeniero de software.
See, all of these jobs some of these jobs might be what you guys are interested in the future. And if you like this, mira donde podrías ir. Podrías hacer estas cosas.
Sí.
So we're gonna look. We have the word job. What is a job?
Trabajo.
Okay.
Trabajo.
Industry. What is industry?
Industria.
Industria. So broadcaster, is that a job or an industry?
Job.
A job. Very good. Okay. Artificial intelligence.
Industry.
Industry. Okay. Software engineer.
Job.
Job. Animation.
Industry.
Industry. Coding.
Industry.
Industry. Software engineering.
Job.
Job. Web developer.
Job.
Job. The person que diseña
Diseño.
your website.
vale,
So
no.
you guys are showing me how to use YouTube and Twitch. Maybe you guys could be web designers or web developers.
Sí.
These are very good paying jobs. All of these jobs that have to do with technology, wow, you get paid a lot. Coding, okay. Web development industry. AI programmer job. What is AI?
De la AI.
Artificial intelligence. So if you are an AI programmer, you are programming the artificial intelligence, the robots, you're coding, you're doing all of that. Broadcasting.
Job.
Nope.
No,
Industry.
Sí.
Okay. Coder.
I don't know it.
Una persona que hace coding is a coder.
Job.
Okay.
Job.
Very good. Okay. Animator.
Job.
Shop.
Very good. How do the words, cómo acaban las palabras that are jobs?
In.
And ER or OR?
Espera, bueno, claro.
And
Industry is with ing, on,
Okay. And industry is with?
ing, on.
Exactly. So we have coding, coder. Okay. The ending or the suffix of the word changes what type it is. Is it a noun or is it a verb? Okay, good job. So now we're going to come down here and we have. Now look at these job descriptions and match them to the correct job title. Okay? The two of you together, look at this. So number 1, you create special effects for cartoons or video games.
Animator.
Sorry.
You should be good at drawing, art, and design.
Animator.
So animated.
Yeah.
Animated.
Okay. Number 2. Can you
Web
read it?
I
developer,
programmer.
Web developer or
Software engineer.
Can you read the sentence? What does it say?
You enjoy solving problems and are very good at maths and computer science.
Science.
You will have good
Knowledge.
knowledge of lot of different areas in computer science.
Science. Very good. So,
Software engineer.
very good. In computer science. So you could be a software engineer. Very good. Number 3, Nacho.
as well as computer science, you will understand human psychology, and you will need to program machines to act like humans. AI programmer.
What is that called? AI programmer. Artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is the future. Like, I think artificial intelligence will take over teaching. There will be no more teachers because there will be little robots who listen and watch. It'll take all of the humanity out of it, but I really think that in the future, a lot of lessons will be done with artificial intelligence. Okay, so number 4. Yeah.
Okay. Your job is to create websites. You will be good at design as well as computer science. Web developer.
Web developer, very good. Number 5, Nacho.
Your job is to report stories for television, radio, or websites. You may have studied media or broadcaster.
Very good. Number 6.
You write computer programs. You might write apps, video games, or websites. You might need to know programs such as Python, HTML, or Swift. As a programmer.
Very good. Okay, so all of these.
O coder.
No, coder.
Pensaba que lo habían dicho.
No, coder.
Sorry.
Okay, so why do you think parents prefer their children get jobs in more traditional industries?
Podemos mirar cómo va.
A ver.
El directo.
Okay, let's see.
Está ahí abajo.
If you press this, you change more
Okay, quicker.
faster.
No.
Bueno,
So
sí.
instead of
Actualizar. Se está apagando.
so what do I do?
Sal de aquí, sal.
Espera, sí.
0. But that's okay.
Ahora tú.
Una persona.
Dale a.
You?
No, dale al like. Menos. Que tenga.
We have an
A like. Nacho.
Y no va porque no está iniciada sesión.
Ah, es verdad.
Okay.
Ah, sí, lo podemos probar. Un momento, un segundo.
Es que yo también lo he probado.
Just because today
Claro,
we are
podemos
learning
probar
how
a
to
ver
be
si funciona la
YouTubers.
alerta. Oh no, you have to put the password.
Mia
No,
Madison.
ya está puesta.
No.
Dale a la llave. Ahora tiene que enviarte algo en Gmail. Que tienes que aceptar.
For what?
Para que puedas entrar a la cuenta.
I want to finish the class.
Sí.
Bye.
Espera, te voy a enviar un código. No sé si por Gmail o...
Okay, here. Here is the Google code.
Yeah. It's final in 01.
04.
No.
So it's G.
Wait. Yeah.
Okay.
Vale.
Okay, G723304. Okay, so have you ever thought of any of these jobs?
A ver, un momento,
Have you ever thought about any of these jobs?
What?
Have you ever thought about what you want to be en el futuro? Yeah. When somebody says, "What do you want to work as? What is your job?"
Ah, ¿qué
What
quieres
do
ser?
what do you say? Have you ever thought? ¿Has pensado en alguna vez en seguir una de estas carreras?
No. Pero es que no sé. También animator.
Animator? No. Animación. Drawing, making webs?
Me gusta.
No. What about you? Would you ever think about doing something like this?
No. I want to be or informatic.
Well, todos estos son informatics.
Yes, but not like this. Is for example design apps or.
Pues that would be an AI programmer. Or a coding.
No, really. But
No,
my teacher says that I'm good at maths and I can do this.
you can do this. I think that this is a very important
Or
thing.
technology too.
And if you guys are interested, and then you could do it, what do you think your mom would say if you said you wanted to do something like this? Would she be happy?
No,
No, why not?
because YouTuber is not a profession stable.
Okay.
Because in one moment you can
Have everything,
yes and lose a lot of money.
a lot of money. Okay, so I think that's a good reason. What about your parents? Okay. Do you think, let's read, because why do you think parents prefer their children get jobs in more traditional industries? What is a more traditional industry?
¿Cómo?
¿Qué sería a more traditional industry?
No sé.
Maybe medicine,
Ah,
or to be a lawyer, no? Instead of artificial intelligence,
Yes.
or coding, okay? I honestly think coding is the future. Okay, so let's take a look. Nacho, can you read for me? Nacho,
Yes.
okay. Read really loud.
Think about the average 10-year-old. Think about the average 10-year-old. If you ask one
50 years ago.
50 years ago, what they wanted to be when they grew up. Sí, por favor, hazlo más grande.
¿Cómo lo puedo hacer?
El más de arriba.
Control.
No, aquí. Ahí, este. If you had asked 30 years ago, they might have wanted to be an astronaut or a musician. What do you think most kids want to be today?
Continue, Biel.
Well, the
Can you
answer
scroll down, please?
The answer
depends on where where
where
you
you
live,
live.
but a
Survey
could be to the toy maker Lego.
a survey conducted
Conducted
by the toy maker Lego has announced the most popular future professions for kids
in the
US.
US and the UK is a YouTuber.
Everybody wants to be a YouTuber.
This is supported
By the
British
British
communications company
O2.
O2, who asked teenagers the same question. Both age groups dream of future careers in technology, including in areas such as animation, artificial intelligence, and of course
Videos. Okay.
So,
No, Nacho.
Young people today are comfortable with different types of teaching gadgets and
Tech.
tech and gadgets and want to use this.
And want to use this.
No. No, al revés. This technology in their future jobs as video game designers, software engineers, web developers, or even broadcasters. This may
Cause
cause some battles with parents who see their sons or daughters as future lawyers, teachers, and doctors.
very good. Okay, I'll read the last one. Okay. According to the NSPCC, a UK-based children's charity founded over 100 years ago, one problem is that parents don't know how to develop their child's digital skills. ¿Qué pasa?
Okay, that's like.
Así.
Sí.
This is often due to a lack of knowledge or fear that the internet is not a safe place to be. However, with more and more jobs requiring candidates to be familiar with digital products, some parents are starting to encourage their children to focus more on tech. And this includes allowing them to become famous on YouTube. Okay, so let's come over here. And I want you guys, we've just read that, I want to see what you understood. So, look at the statements below and decide if the statements are true or false. Okay? So, or not given. Many children in the 1990s wanted to work in the space industry.
Yes, true.
True?
As an astronaut or
Okay,
musical.
very good. Most teenagers today want to grow up to be famous.
Yeah, true too.
Parents would prefer their children to follow more traditional career paths.
False.
False.
Yes, but the parents, want to hear their son, for example, want to be, for example, a lawyer or.
Okay. So parents think that the internet is safe. ¿Lo dicen? ¿Lo dijeron?
False.
False. Or non-given, not given. Parents are comfortable with technology and how to use it. False. Teenagers need to have knowledge of technology to get a good job.
True.
True, absolutely.
Just like.
Okay,
Okay.
so we have job or related skills and qualities. So we have edit, patience, creativity, engage, unique, tough, time management, and promote. Okay, so edit. What is the definition for edit?
The ability to use imagination, arrange arrange and make change to data, text or media.
Very good, because you can edit anything. You can edit something that you write. I can say, edit your paper. Escríbemelo otra vez y checa los errores, ¿no? Patience. What is patience?
I don't know it.
Patience is the mother of virtue, of science.
Paciencia.
Paciencia. So what is patience?
Or very deep, no?
F, the ability to stay calm and wait alone.
Very good, Biel. Okay. Creativity.
Creativity.
And C, the ability to use your imagination or a skill to produce something new or artistic.
Good job. You engage.
Very special or you know.
I want you to be engaged in the class. I want you to look forward to the class. I want you to listen. I want you to participate. I want you to be engaged. So that's why I plan classes on YouTube. That's why I'm learning how to use YouTube, because I want to engage
Or
you.
help sell something by, no?
I would make it...
Keep someone attention or interest.
Exactly. I want to keep you interested and I want your attention. So that's why we're doing these classes. Okay, so the next one is unique. Unique. Everybody.
Very special or unique as well.
Very good. Okay, tough.
Very difficult.
Very difficult. This math test is tough. Learning how to use YouTube is tough. Time management.
The ability to use time well.
No me dejas, ¿eh?
Good. Okay, number 8 for
La
Biel.
última.
Ay, yo qué sé ahora.
Es la última.
That's the last one.
Es very special ahora.
No.
Promote. Promover.
Promover.
Help sell something by making
¿Por
it
qué me
popular.
entiendes?
Porque
Very good. Okay, so
Son 57 ya.
talking point. Do you want to be a YouTuber?
no.
No?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, we spoke to the famous YouTuber Jamie D, who gave us some advice. What type of advice do you think Jamie D will give?
What is this?
Jamie D is a YouTuber, and he's given advice. What type of advice do you think he'll give you? ¿Qué
Si no sabemos,
consejos?
si no sabemos quién es, no hemos visto nada.
Pues si es un YouTuber, ¿qué consejo puede dar a un YouTuber como Greg?
Pues
Nunca te rindas.
Don't give up, okay?
Nunca dejas que te critiquen o te digan cosas malas.
Okay. What skills or qualities do you think you need to be a
Siempre, por
YouTuber?
ejemplo, también siempre pensarás como con una cámara de caca o cosas de caca, pero si creces ya te irás haciendo cosas y haciéndolo como tú quieres, pero no pasa nada si tienes una cámara que vale 3 euros o algo así.
Pues lo que ha dicho es, can you read it?
Becoming a YouTuber is not so simple. A matter of turning a camera and talking to the world. You need to learn editing video and how to use it.
You will need to get used to. Good at, perdona.
And then you should know how to promote your content on social media.
So now that we turn
No he
it
leído nada,
Me ha petado la espalda entera.
Yeah. Well, now that we've learned this, we're going to continue. Okay, so now how do I turn it off? Thank you for joining.